Coil Slitting offers a mature and comprehensive one-stop after-sales service process for its slitting machines. Layout planning. Coil begins this process during the manufacturing stage. By analyzing the client's overall factory layout, we assist in determining the optimal installation site and workflow, thereby enhancing overall production efficiency. Once the layout is finalized, our engineers instruct the client to prepare the foundation or site. This ensures that upon the machine's arrival, installation can commence immediately. Machine installation. Upon arrival at the client's facility, Coil engineers supervise the installation process based on the pre-planned layout. This step involves not only positioning every component correctly but also ensuring that all floor-level wiring and cabling are installed accurately and meet all specifications. Machine commissioning. Following installation, Coil engineers provide hands-on training on the correct operation of the slitting machine. This covers the use of individual components, such as uncoiling, slitting, and recoiling units, as well as maintaining slitting precision, controlling finished product accuracy, and troubleshooting. Comprehensive training ensures that every operator masters the equipment, preventing future operational issues, extending the machine's lifespan, and guaranteeing that slitting precision meets the client's production standards. Performance testing. After commissioning, Coil engineers conduct operational performance tests. This step is performed only after the machine has been fully calibrated and adjusted to the optimal state. Premature operation could lead to malfunctions or substandard product accuracy. During testing, engineers focus on key metrics: the stability of fully automated operation, whether the running speed meets requirements, and whether the precision of the finished product complies with production standards. Passing this final assessment is a critical criterion for the successful completion of the after-sales project, ensuring the machine is ready for full-scale production. Coil has successfully completed after-sales projects in numerous countries. We remain committed to monitoring how our customers use the equipment and staying attuned to their evolving needs, always ready to provide support to ensure optimal performance. As a professional manufacturer of slitting machines with extensive project experience, Kindrel welcomes your inquiries for further information.